What's up, Glamazons? So today I'm going to be doing an updated version of comparing the makeup brush cleaner that I make. I know this isn't the prettiest one, but I use the ones that I don't like how they came out for myself, but it still smells amazing. This is in the scent Sweet Peach. So I'm going to be comparing this to, I put 2 pumps of this Dial in with some water in a cup, and I'll be using a brush egg for that. So I didn't have many foundation brushes to clean, or concealer ones, because that's where you can really see the difference, but I do have this one right here, and I have another one. So we're going to start with the Dial. So I'm just putting it in that soapy water, and then I'm going to go back and forth and try and get that concealer off. So as you can see, I've dunked it in there 3 times, and it's gotten some of it off, but it's still, there's still a good amount on there. So now we're going to switch over to mine, and you can see that concealer on the soap. Actually, this is getting it all out. And your brush is 100% clean. So let's try it again. I have this foundation brush. So I'm going to try it with the Dial. I just dunked it in there. Okay, let's do it again. And you know, it is getting some of it off. If you want to continue to dunk it about 10 times, you might be able to get it. But I'll rinse it, and you can see still how much is left on there. So you can see how much of the foundation is still left on the brush. And your brush is completely clean. So now I'm going to try a sponge. I really don't like using sponges on brush eggs because they can rip it apart. Like, I'm already starting to get a hole there, and this is just going to make it worse. But that's really the only way to use it. But, you know, let's just try it. Let's just go in with my soap, because I already know it's not going to do that good of a job. You can literally see the concealer coming off. See? Another reason I love using my brush cleaner is because my brushes smell amazing afterwards. They don't smell like Dial. So these are available in my Etsy shop. I have a bunch of scents, a bunch of cute little designs, and I'm working on trying to get approved for a subscription box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, check out my soaps on Etsy. And they can also be used for your body and your face. They don't have to be used for just your brushes. So I will send you a mesh pouch, and that's how I use it in the shower. And I also use it for my face. And I've had 2 people that I've sold my soap to tell me that their acne has cleared up after using it to wash their face. I don't know if it's because the ingredients are all natural or what it is, but I was kind of surprised. But I'm like, that is amazing. So that's just another benefit. It's a great multi-purpose product, and I'm very proud of it. Alright guys, I will see you later.